Child of God, I believe that you have watched this video that is trending online. This is a cathedral church in United Kingdom. A big cathedral church have been converted into restaurant. They are selling food inside the church because the church has been closed. Nobody on Sunday, you not see anybody in the church. People are coming inside the church, eating food, drinking. The church have been converted into beer parlor. 100 years ago, 50 years ago, 30 years ago, people were busy worshiping God in this church. But right now, this church have been converted into restaurant. People go that place, eat food, buy food. The Church of Christ. Child of God, the prophecy of the last day. We are seeing the prophecy of the last day. Look at the church. A beautiful church that they built for God. Right now, the church have been converted into restaurant. And do you know what they are doing right now? Most of Africans, they use it to mock Christians in Africa. They say to Christians in Africa, look at the white people that brought us Christianity. Look at what they are using church to do. They don't have time to go to church. But we Africa are busy going to church. Why the white people that brought us Christianity, they don't have time to church. They don't have time for God right now. Jesus said in Luke chapter 18 verse 8, when the Son of Man cometh, shall he find any faith on earth? 2 Thessalonians chapter 2:3, the Bible said that they will be falling away before the man of sin will appear. And all these things that we are seeing happening is falling away. People on the backslide. Nations, countries that we know as a Christian country right now, they are no longer a Christian country. They are these people that you are seeing right now buying food and selling food inside the church. Their forefathers, then they died the same place, worshiping God, praising God, hearing the word of God. But look at what this generation are turning into. When the Son of Man will come, shall he find any faith on earth? Look at them. Their fathers, their mothers, their grandmas, their grandpa, they are busy worshiping God, praising God in that the same church. They are now selling food and eating food. Do you see what is happening in this end time? I told you people before that this falling away, not only white people, not only black people, all these black people, African, that saying that let's return back our loot. Not only Africa are returning back to idolatry, are returning back to idolatry all over the world. Globals falling away is happening all over the world. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezaguba. Shalom. Share this video.